So you are here to replace my mother?
Is that how people speak in this house? No respect for elders.
Can you prove that you are my father's sister?
Can you prove that you are his daughter? You don't even resemble me.
Look at my nose. I have nothing to prove to you. You are becoming a permanent inconvenience in this house. My father is unemployed for the moment. He cannot provide for a new hungry mouth.
I am not a mom. I am his sister.
Mama, I'm getting disappointed with you. You have become so lazy. You are generally absent. Strange people stray into my presence. Where do you go to?
My friend, be quiet.
At times I feel like getting myself in no order.
Shut up, you bad luck child.
What do you call child?
I did not say child. I said bad luck child. Since your father ran away, you are becoming a thorn in my flesh.
Yes, a thorn in your flesh and money in your account. Look, Mama, if you don't withdraw some of the things you have said and done, just be assured that you have missed your place in heaven.
Auntie, don't say I'm talking like my sister, but when will you go away?
You too. Did I not hear that my brother picked you up from the street?
Not precisely. See, my mother said they shared a drink in a snack bar, not in the street. So for that, you want to stay here all your life.
The other small one, her mother forced a ring on my brother's finger. Because of that, she can talk to me. But you have no right.
Is that how you see it?
You cannot compare a gold ring with a bottle of beer in a bar.
The other day, she wanted to send you out. She refused to serve you breakfast. I served you.
Because you served me breakfast. Is that how I have to question my stay in this house?
We don't feel free when you are here. You block us. We need to enjoy our father's absence.
How do I block you? Do I stop you from coming in or from going out?
Not only that, you block the only television in this house with your TB Joshua.
Ah, sinful children. I will personally deliver all of you.
Talking about deliverance, you will not start with me. My father and my sisters are more sinful.
Look at your eyes. So you are angry when I watch television.
We have our things to watch. We cannot be watching prayer every day.
Mama, many people no longer come here. Why?
At this stage of your pregnancy, you have to be protected. Someone can come here and be with you.
And what will happen?
They can turn the Messiah in your womb into a girl.
Mama, is that possible?
In witchcraft, everything is possible.
Mama, I am sorry for you. So after so long in divine presence, you still believe in such stupid things. And if the Messiah is a girl, what will happen?
Girls are not well protected in this society.
I am protected.
You are protected because you are special. You're on a mission. You are a business.
Okay, I am a business. Now you are saying it. Whose business?
Stop suffocating me with your questions. You are not a small business.
Good morning, Auntie.
Thank you, Kenya.
Auntie, I have a small present for you. You can share it with your husband when you go back home.
Keep it. I only collect it the day I'm going.
I don't want to keep it for long.
My brother is in trouble with children picked from the bars, like some of you.
Auntie, I was not picked from the bar.
Is there a difference? Your mother imprisoned my brother with a ring
and brought you into this world to increase his problems.
Auntie, you cannot insult us in our father's house.
When my brother comes, I will insult him too for having useless children like you.
Molo, is the cooking gas finished?
Not yet, but it will finish today.
I will not buy cooking gas in this house again. I will see how this mama will survive in this house.
She will eat insult. Our father is so different from his sister.
You like to use this phrase, our father.
I'll buy gas.
Auntie, please use the money for your transport back to your home. Can't I feel free in my father's house?
My friends are even scared to come here because of Auntie.
So you have friends? Who are your friends? Are they boys or girls?
Must I tell you?
No, because I've never seen any of your friends. So boys look at you.
No, they only look at you, beauty queen.
Naughty idiot. So you want to send me away from this house because of boys? Tell them to come and buy me beer.
Until they will not come. Go to your house.
I wanted to know why many people no longer come here.
Your blessings are powerful. Some people you bless have now become people of God and are also blessing people.
Oh, that's unfair. Does all ventures know?
Your blessings have become like seeds. They are growing everywhere. Even your father is a holy person in a far-off land. That you know.
I have so much to share. Let the people come to me. Does all ventures have a hand in the slow flow of my worshippers? They could be mistreating my worshippers.
At this stage of your pregnancy, you should be seeing less and less number of people. I said that.
I'm getting stronger and stronger as the Messiah comes closer and closer to reality. He's almost here.
Do you want tea or a drink? Please, serve us some tea.
With honey or sugar?
As usual for me, Manka, honey or sugar?
It's also honey for her, Mama.
I have the energy to do more and more. Let the people come to me. Very soon, the Messiah will take over and I may be a nobody.
You are both lucky that I did not come here with my children, my boys.
Auntie, so you have children?
My boys would have beaten the hell out of you. Next time, make sure I come with one of them.
Auntie, don't try to intimidate us. You are making all this noise because Friday is not here.
My brother is in trouble. Do you think your children? I wish my house was big. I would have taken my brother away.
Take him to where? To your village? Do you know that all arrangements have been made for him to be reappointed minister?
Is there anything? He has been minister for long. What did he do? All he did was wasting time with their mothers.
Auntie, very soon we will use physical strength to send you out of this house. Just wait, let Mangane come back.
We will physically send you away. Mangane is very strong.
This is my brothers. All of you can do nothing to me. Nothing. Bastards.
I am not a bastard.
Neither am I. We are daughters.
Madam, my boss is still very busy. But can you tell me why you want to meet him? I can solve your problem right here.
Being a receptionist, you can't solve my problems.
Maybe in England, receptionists don't solve problems. But in this country, they do. And for your information, I'm not a receptionist.
My girl, just let me see your boss. Whoever you are is not my problem.
In this country, we wait, so you have to wait.
This is just what I hate about this country.
Yes, Toka, I sent for you. There is this woman who came from England loaded with problems. She met the Holy Virgin without passing through us, and her problems have been solved.
But the Holy Virgin is on contract with us, so how can she do a thing like that?
Well, it has already been done. She'll be here this morning. She has other problems.
We shouldn't let things like that happen, sir. You know how much we put into that family.
We are as well getting much out of her. See how well we are doing in business. Her prayers matter.
On a personal note, sir, does she pray for you?
Personally, I don't need prayers. She prays for the company and our salaries are paid. I have a good salary and you have a good salary as well.
I think she should make some special prayers for you against all these guys harassing you with attention, sir.
No, let them keep harassing me. Is that your problem? I know in that domain you have always wanted to take my place.
I thought it's time for you to have a wife, sir.
Are you my brother or father? Don't intrude into my private life.
That is not your private life, sir. The clients are workers here. You are not paid to have attention from women. They are paid to work.
Have you ever seen me seeking for attention from women?
Yes, sir. The way you speak and dress in their presence.
My friend, I'm your boss. You have no right to speak to me this way.
Madam, are you a Cameroonian?
Yes, I am.
Why?
So you hate your country because of waiting? You will wait. My boss is still very busy on the computer.
Things like this don't happen in England.
They happen here. This is a developing country. We wait.
A developing country has to work more, faster to catch up.
Catch up with what? With who?
Please, be reasonable.
Sir, when you play around women during working hours, you hurt our performance.
Junior fellow, let me tell you that I work better in the company of women. Now go out and call Mary and let her come in immediately.
I see you need immediate inspiration.
Toka, I can sack you right now.
You cannot, sir. I am going out to call for another immediately.
We shall see. Junior staff, stupid people. They don't know that all work without play makes Jack a stupid boy. These stupid fellow thinks that I love women. They don't know that they are the advantages reserved for us in high places. Women love us in high places because we bring them up. We are in high places and we welcome them.
Sir, you are talking alone.
What is your problem? I'm not talking alone. I'm thinking alone.
So you are thinking aloud.
My friend, must I think in silence?
Sir, I'm with a lady in my office. She said she wants to see you. She said she's from England.
That must be Miss or Mrs. Brenda.
Who is she? Is she your mother or sister? If you don't tell me right now, I'll send her away.
Mariam, who has given you the right to intrude into my private life? You are getting out of bounds.
What bounds? Even look at the way she's dressed. I don't like women from abroad. My responsibility is to protect you.
Protect me from who? I can protect myself. She's a harmless woman.
No woman is harmless. We all bite.
Maria, do you know that you are wasting official time? Your salary can be affected.
If my salary is affected, your pocket will always be affected. I'll send her in.
Go out and send her in. Junior subordinate. Look at this. Oh, Roman Reigns. What is such a great fighter. Hit him. Oh man. Hit him seriously. Hit him. He's coming to. Oh, look at it.
Good morning, sir.
Madam, please sit down for a minute. Let me finish watching this fight. Hit him seriously. A white man cannot beat a black man like that. At least we can box. Hit him. Look at it. Oh, massa. I'm very sorry, madam. I've been waiting for this fight for months.
Sorry, I have to disturb you, sir.
No, it's okay. Very okay. The black man knocked down the white man.
That's very good, sir. In England, we black people get knocked down every day.
In boxing?
No. In many other things.
Good, madam. What can we do for you?
Well, I've been in the country a few weeks and I've seen almost everybody. But all fingers point to all ventures.
All fingers point to all ventures? For what?
Not only all ventures, sir. To you, sir.
Madam, I'm not that important. I'm just a senior official here. The company is headed by a boss.
Yes, sir, I've been told. Even when I spoke with the mother of the Holy Virgin, she mentioned you.
Well, in her case, she did not only have to mention us, she had to direct you to all ventures. They are our business.
Precisely, that's what she did, and that's why I'm here.
I'm listening.
She said I had to pay some money here, but that's not the point.
So what's the point?
Sir, is it possible to export her to England? Her presence there will be very useful.
Madam, I cannot tell you anything for now. I have a boss. He decides. The Holy Virgin is still needed here. She may have to travel to America for her baby.
Well, I had to make that effort. England really needs her kind of illumination.
We cannot export all good things. You can see my boss another time.
Sir, please. Your secretary is not a very pleasant person.
Oh, madam, I'm very sorry for that on her behalf. I know it's your first time here.
good friend. You know my mother may be sacking you anytime soon.
I don't know, Holy One.
Why does she not like you?
I don't know, Holy One. Order her to like me.
Hear what you said, that I should order my mother to like you.
Does she not also work for you? You are always shouting at her. If you order her, she will like me.
She is my mother, and don't mistake the love we have for each other. I see that you have a kind of disrespect for her.
Not true, Holy One. You are always accusing her of financial mismanagement.
Look here, my friend. In my presence, you should not listen to the things I tell my mother. Is that clear?
True, Holy One.
Okay. Before she sacks you or do something for you, what can I bless you with?
I don't know, Holy One.
Those bright eyes shining on your head means you love me or need a man.
I don't know how to answer you, but the truth is just nearby.
And as a sociologist, you need a job where you can prove that you know nothing.
Auntie, so you finally made up your mind to go?
Auntie, must you go today? Don't live in anger.
I'm not going to please you. There's a problem in our town. A tree fell on the roof of the house.
Sorry, Auntie, was there a storm?
My son just called. Did not give details.
Auntie, what a bad thing to happen. We are with you in prayers.
I wish my father was here.
You would have done what?
Auntie is his sister. He has to help her.
No problem, he will still help. They said the house is completely destroyed.
Why, Auntie? God is in control.
We will follow you with prayers every day, everywhere.
I will even watch TB Joshua for you.
My children, you see how thick blood is. I never knew you could care so much.
Auntie, you've said it all. Blood is the thickest thing in the world.
Honestly.
Where, my children? You will not cry for long. I will go down, see, and assess the damage and come up with your brothers and sisters.
Auntie, what did you say?
Misfortune will finally unite this family.
Unite which family? Auntie, you cannot do that. This is a government house. My father can be sent out of this house at any time.
He may never even be reappointed.
Have you called Daddy about this?
Must I call him? Does he not see the news? His whole village is down in water. I must be leaving.
I don't know how to answer you, Holy One. But even if you bless me with nairas, I will still take it.
Twisted language. But I get your point. You're poor and in need of financial blessings.
True, Holy One.
I cannot give you everything, so you may have to choose a job or a husband and child.
Don't you have the power to give both?
Are you the only frustrated young woman in this town?
I withdraw my wish. Okay, Holy. I need warmth, human company. Give me a man who has a good job.
You have no choice with divinity.
Holy, can I not stay here a while longer? I have nowhere else to finish my research.
What? You still have the courage to mention your sociological rubbish here?
I have already sent my first report.
I see. My mother will get back to you.
Let's get a few things clear.
I'm a sad woman. What do you want clear?
Auntie, you see how your stay here was uncomfortable. If you come with your children, it will be worse.
Auntie, it's true, and time is even running out. Maybe the president has forgotten our daddy.
Bolo, shut up. I am the spokesperson in this situation. Every time you speak like you've always been here.
My children, people should not be worried. A house can never be small for an African family. We have mats.
Not that. This is a government house.
Government is who? Our party president in the village said government is the people. And we are the people. So it's our house.
Who is your party president?
What do you want to do with their village party president? They think differently.
No, in the village we don't think differently. We know when we are sad. We know when we are happy. And we know when we are homeless.
We must call daddy and tell him.
What is wrong with you? Daddy, daddy, daddy all the time.
Kenya, see, this is a very serious matter. You cannot give any solution.
We are not looking for solutions right now. All you can do is to decide with me.
If sadness is a solution, then no problem. I can be sad for you from now till next year.
Me too. I have sadness in me. I can give some of it for this situation.
Now I feel comforted. When we come back, we'll be sad together.
Auntie, the flood will go down. Trust God, He can never abandon His people in water. The government will help.
Rain destroyed houses in Garwa. The next day, the government was there with food and new roofs.
I'll be going. The distance is quite long. The roads bad. So tiring to go to the village and come back home.
Yes, Auntie, go, safe journey, and pray that when you come back, you meet us here.
Where are we going to?
You know nothing.
If Chris has time, he should follow me to the village. We'll come back together.
Why must so much be wasted on these projects? Why should the people be so disrespected and misled? I'm asking myself too many questions that can blow my mind. See why I sit to wait for people. Why they waste the future of a great people?
Good morning, sir.
But I cannot stop. I do not give myself these brains that are running faster than myself and the nation.
Sir, I greeted.
Can't you see I'm deep in thought?
I hear you talking alone.
Sorry, my friend. I was not talking alone. It was an overflow from this brain that is taking me everywhere and nowhere.
But I came and I heard you complaining.
No. Complain is a national pastime. Some complain in thoughts, like myself, while a great majority complain over a drink. My friend, I am Tom Hankunkia, author of the Pink Book.
I'm Dr. Obinna.
You must come from a foreign country by your name.
Yes, I'm a diplomat here on mission.
On a mission? To this company?
Yes, my country does business with this company.
Does business? What kind of business? I find them to be very incompetent.
Well, I don't know, but they have been advising the government of my country on very hard issues.
I see. I have been trying unsuccessfully to teach the management of this company a few economic facts, and they are slow to understand.
But they've been advising us on very serious economic issues. What you say is really confusing. As a matter of fact, the Ministry of Economic Planning in my country is living on this company.
What kind of advice do they give you?
Well, I can't fully say, but they make us understand the importance of wasting in the African economy.
It's equally important.
My friend, is this a charm you brought from the village for me? Girls of all ventures.
Mariam, waiter, you are obstructing an official function.
No, sir. I'm about to save you. If you get the content of this parcel, you are finished.
Sir.
I know this type of charms.
Sir, you hear what she's saying? I don't mind taking back the parcel.
You cannot. It has been delivered. And let me tell you, it cannot work.
Please go back to your office and wait for me to summon you with the bell.
I will not go. One of the clauses of my contract says I should protect you.